Trying to move a Notion page from one account to another? Maybe you created something on your personal account and now one on your work email. Whatever the reason, copying pages between accounts in Notion is actually super simple if you know the right steps. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe so you never get stuck figuring out tools like Notion again. Step 1. Share the page with your other account. First, you need to share the page from account A, where the page is, to account B, where you want it. Open the page in your original Notion account. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Now enter the email address of your second Notion account. Make sure to give it full access permission. Then click Invite. That's it. Your other account now has access. Step 2. Log into your second account. Now log into your second Notion account, the one you just shared the page with. You'll see the page appear in your sidebar under Shared with Me. Click it to open it. If you want to move it permanently to your second account's workspace, do this. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the page. Select Duplicate. This creates a full copy of the page in your own workspace, and it's no longer linked to the original one. Now you can edit it however you want, totally independent from the first account. Bonus tip: moving a whole Notion workspace? If you're trying to move multiple pages or an entire workspace, the best method is to select all your pages from the sidebar, share them the same way, or export them as a zip, then import to your second account. But sharing plus duplicating is usually faster and keeps formatting intact. And that's how you copy a Notion page to another account. Easy, clean, and just takes a few clicks. If this helped you, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion and productivity tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.